Hello student, today I will show you how to add row and column and as like that delete rows and columns. Okay, just I have to insert the rows and column. It is the process of the insert tab, then table process, then after the insert table. Now you can see I have given the 3 columns and 4 rows. Okay, I have adjusted that as rows and column. Okay, now you can see these things. Suppose I am writing on the top some things and the down also you have to see that I have done. So ABC 3 things I wrote on the top of the rows. Clear? Now first of all you can see I can adjust of these things. You can keep it the middle place, you can keep it the right left side, right side, anything you can do it here. Okay, now I will add column. Okay, where you see this is the last column, I can add the column of the right side. Okay, I can add the right side. So where I will go? I will go to the layout tab. My dear, these thing is the very important things. Remember, I went to the layout tab. Layout tab is the very important things. From here we can do everything like add, delete, everything, rows, columns, whatever you will do. After that, we will go to the rows and columns group. Clear? Once again I am saying to the layout tab is the very important. Okay, now this is the rows and columns group. These are the important things because after layout tab you will get everything, either insert rows, insert columns, either means below, up, left, right, delete, everything you will get it rows and columns group. Okay, so what I will do, I will do add column. Okay, now I have selected of this last one, then I went layout tab. Now I will go to that insert, which one? Right side. Okay, see left means it will come the left and right side means your right hand side it will come. Now I will go to the beside the C, these sides. So which one I will click on? The right side. So it will come the basically right of the C side, this side. Okay, now you can see I click 2 times, so 2 came. Okay, now I entered, I add one more column. Okay, A, B, C, and this if you want to keep it the name, so you can give it their name also D. If you want to keep the middle place, the left side, so you have to go to the beside left. See, inside left. Okay, so it came that beside C. Okay, between B and C. Okay, this is the process to add column. Okay, now we saw the how to add the column. Now I will show you the rows. My dear, the same process will follow. Before that I will write that here 1 2 3 what. Okay, and down part I will draw few rows. Down part, so select the last one, click on the layout tab and rows and column. I will click on the insert above. Above means it will be up and below means down. How many rows you want, that much you have to click on below, it will be add. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, how many you want, it will be add. Clear? And above means it will between 2 and 3 it will come. You have to select the last one and click the above. Now I will show you delete rows and column. Delete rows and column. One extra columns are there, 2 rows are there, 2 columns are there extra. That one I will delete. Okay, these things you can see this one. So what we'll do, we'll go to the layout tab. Okay, then layout tab, I told you the same process you will follow that, where layout tab, after that delete options, then you will see the one pop-up list will come, delete cell, delete rows, columns. So which one you will select? Delete rows. it came. Okay, it came delete rows. Okay, so what happened? The rows has deleted. Rows are deleted. Okay, so the students, you can see that everything layout tab and delete rows. This is the layout tab is the very important point. Similarly, we can do the delete of column also. Okay, we can delete the column also. Here you can see the column. The same way we will select the layout and you will click on the column. If the column will be deleted. See these things, I am going to layout and delete column. Just deleted. Okay, so I hope everybody understood how to add and delete rows and column. You will practice your home and also write the step in your copy. Thank you.